So we got Juju bedroom suit, Tutu bedroom suit. Now we got to find Jim a bedroom suit. So we finna go up to this the rooms to go outlet. See what they got in stock. Every day you wanna go to the rug outlet and see if they can find them a rug?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes.
Well, you better speak up.
I said yeah.
He was like, yeah. All right, guys. Now we are rug shopping for Sister Juju room. Look at that. Woohoo! Hey. Look at this rug. This Visca. And that's a 7 by 6 by 11. See, they go put one of these in their room. Y'all seen the rooms. I don't even know why they painted the floors. If they're gonna just put a rug down. Look, this is going to Juju room, look. It's $9.99. And then look at this one. You think she'll want them kind of colors? Would they go with her walls?
I don't know. I don't think you need no rug this one.
What about this one? This $5.99. It's a pinkish.
But her colors are not that color.
It's that pink. Right here.
That's more of a hot.
All right, guys. Now we out here at Rooms to Go. I ain't got to go to my first house till 12 o'clock, so we just getting some shopping in. We just bought 2 rugs from down there at that place. We got them down to $300 a piece. And y'all to see those. We ain't gonna show y'all the rugs. We're just gonna let y'all see the room when it's final. Now we gotta find Jim a bedroom suit. But we got everything else. Whew, we getting it together. All right, y'all hold tight. All right, Steam Team. Y'all, we just bought this big old rug for sister room. And then now we got 2 more we finna pick up. I'm trying to see how I'm gonna put this one. This gonna be in sister's room. Juju just bought her a pillow. And I'm gonna see if these other 2 will fit up in my van.
What's up, Steam Team? What's that, real life or?
Steam Team.
What's up, Steam Team?
I just went and bought all these chemicals this morning. I had to buy a brand new Hydro Force. Man, I just spent like $500 there. God, I was just going there to get me some chemicals. And I had to buy a whole, I thought I was going to try to let them fix this Hydro Force.
Oh, they could fix it.
Yeah, because by the time he fixed all this, put these new hose on it, that would have been about $80. And then with their labor fee for the shop, they charge $30. So that's another $120. You know what I'm saying? Just to do that. So I just want to buy a brand new one. All right, Steam Team. I'm finna see these rugs will fit in here. If not, he'll deliver them. All righty.
Do you know if it's gonna fit or not?
Wanted this kettle.
Can we get a rabbit?
Can we get a rabbit? Put that on your mom. Jim, you gotta have this on to come in.
But Jim said I could have it.
So she got this one. That's the one Juju want. And see, that's what he told you. And then we got this one for the living room. We go upstairs. We was gonna do this one. But we're just gonna go with that one down there. So we're gonna show y'all all once we do the final revealing of everything. All right. Look, was you gonna go down there?
Go down.
To the thing.
Okay.
I mean, we gonna go on from there, or do we gotta go back to the house?
I ain't even called you. Let me call you. I love the business and how it is. She told me.
Huh?
Did we already
about what you call it?
Call Janae now.
Because if they can just, well, she can't drive. You gotta drive her car. Because she gonna leave her from down, yeah. So I gotta take you back. Don't worry about it. Because I just thought about it. She gotta drive your car. You gotta drive her car. She gonna drive either or car. She going to work from down there.
Never mind, we on the way down.
Okay.
Bye.
But yeah, staying tuned. What I was saying was, I'm finna go down here to the new house and clean the carpets. So y'all asked me, am I gonna video cleaning the carpets? And I am. I'm only doing the 3 rooms upstairs, and the rooms downstairs, they carpet new. So. Alright, Steam Team, we out here finna clean this carpet at the new spot. Moving stuff, moving my brother's stuff out, moving my stuff in. But this carpet right here, they have a dog.
Why did this dog?
Just it's piss. It's dog piss. The dog was in here. Dog was in here, so y'all see the pee stains. Right there, over there. Ugh. And they had a big rock roller too. Ugh. They kept it downstairs, but he roamed around the house. Ugh. And I'm finna put that serum on it, and everything gonna be alright. Got Juju on the workhorse, doing what she do. This gonna be Jim room. Alright guys, boy and girl, serum to the rescue. Dang. We got a little more food. One more come to it bad. There's a toothpick. Steam team. Look at here. We got a small delay. A flood. Huh? I ain't going back up there, so we the best you can do. Look at all our good work, Steam team. Okay, this is what the problem was. Well, y'all ain't gonna be able to see it now. It's outside. But they put a drain in there. It's out here. You ain't gonna be able to see it. It's dark. But what happened is when we had that big rain yesterday, the other day we were moving, the water somehow come up through the floor. We thought it was coming through this back door. But they got to get another drain to put in. So now they got to knock down this wall, pull up the floor, and put a new drain in. The guy thought he had fixed it, but that what he did didn't do it. So now that's gonna be our, well, it ain't gonna be our delay because we just gonna put Juju in the movie room and this Janae room, she just gonna have to come upstairs and until they fix it, they gonna come out tomorrow and hopefully by the end of this week or next week, it'll be fixed. But that's what happened. It's that big rain came through yesterday. The guy said he thought he fixed it, but he didn't. He put that drain over there. Maybe that's why water didn't come in over here like it. But he got to put another one on this side because he said it's coming in through this corner over here, and it's only came out this far where that line is, where she right there, and it came as far as in here, right there. That's the furthest it came, see. And this